I believe that 2024 will be the year of robots and, more importantly, artificial general intelligence. In just 5 months, numerous companies have introduced their robots. Additionally, I have created videos on them, such as Kepler Robotics, Sanctuary AI, and others. Moreover, today we are including a new video on a robot that you are currently watching. Elon Musk has treated us to a new Tesla bot demo, revealing its impressive capabilities. This comes as a surprise, as it's one of the first demos since January 15th, when we saw the Tesla bot folding a shirt. In this latest demo, we get to witness the Tesla bot engaging in a variety of tasks. One of the noteworthy aspects of this demo is the complete autonomy of the Tesla bot, operating at real-time speed. This is a positive sign for human robotics companies, indicating that their neural networks are sufficiently advanced to perform tasks autonomously. However, with the Tesla bot operating at real-time speed, it demonstrates usability in real-world scenarios without appearing unnaturally slow. Typically, in humanoid robotics demos, you might encounter accelerated playback. But seeing the robot operate at one-time speed indicates that its performance is suitable for everyday tasks. This implies that the robot's policies or neural networks are efficient enough to handle tasks in real time, enhancing its practical usability. Furthermore, the demo highlights significant developments in real-time processing on the bot's FSD, full self-driving, computer. This suggests that Tesla is tackling increasingly complex tasks, showcasing advancements in their capabilities. Another remarkable aspect is that the Tesla bot achieves this level of functionality using only 2D cameras, hand tactile, and 4 sensors, showcasing remarkable accuracy. What's particularly impressive is its ability to balance on its legs while the neural network controls the upper body. This is a significant feat because it demonstrates that the Tesla bot isn't merely stationary, it can maintain balance while performing tasks. This capability opens up possibilities for the bot to navigate different environments and engage in various tasks. It addresses the question of why humanoid robots are necessary. By having a robot that can walk around and perform tasks, we eliminate the need to redesign the entire human world to accommodate new robots. Indeed, humanoid robots with the ability to balance on legs are incredibly valuable because they seamlessly integrate into human environments without the need for extensive redesign. This plug-and-play capability aligns with human actions, making them highly practical. Moreover, the precision exhibited by the neural network controlling the Tesla bot's body is impressive. It's fascinating to observe how accurately it can grab objects and target the next available slot for insertion. Another noteworthy aspect is the robot's ability to autonomously recover from failures, which was showcased in the demo. While this feature has been seen in some robotics demos, it's not common. Having a robot that can recognize and recover from errors is crucial for real-world applications. Humans aren't perfect, and mistakes happen. Therefore, it's essential for the neural network to identify unsuccessful task completion and rectify it, ensuring that items are placed correctly. This capability marks a significant step forward in the usability of humanoid robotics for future applications. Another fascinating aspect is the training data required for humanoid robots, which will be crucial for their development over the next decade. To train these robots effectively, we need ample training data. In the demo, we see humans wearing VR teleoperated suits, likely equipped with cameras, performing tasks identical to those the Tesla bot will undertake. The robot collects data as these individuals execute tasks, a process facilitated by wires connecting them to the robot. This manual data collection method aims to scale up with as many participants as possible, ensuring diverse and comprehensive training data. Furthermore, the demo reveals a variety of tasks being performed. Despite the challenge in discerning the tasks, it's intriguing to glimpse the diverse capabilities the Tesla bot is poised to exhibit in the future. It's fascinating to think about where Elon Musk and Tesla will take the Tesla bot in the future. With initial demonstrations already showing its potential in certain factories, it's clear that Tesla has ambitious plans for this humanoid robot. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.